Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's the day for our long-awaited Glam July 4th DIY open collaboration. The challenge was to create 3 or less July 4th themed home decor items using materials purchased from the Dollar Tree. Those items were to be both glamorous, but also show off your patriotic spirit. I am co-hosting this open collaboration with the talented Beverly from Beverly's Design Time and Lisa from Green Crystal Rose. I'll leave a link to their channels below. These are super talented ladies, so I encourage you to go out and check them out. If you like what you see, subscribe to their channels and let them know that Denise sent you. For this collaboration, I decided to make 2 patriotic candle holders as well as a flower vase. So if you're interested in how I created these items, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the tall cylinder vases as well as 2 of the smaller vases as well. I used 2 of these tea light candle holders, some gemstone stickers, and red, white, and blue, the star stickers. 1 of these tea light candle holders that I already had, as well as my fixed solid adhesive. I'll leave a complete list of everything that I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was clean my glass, and then I used some of my fixed solid adhesive to attach my gemstone stickers. I only used just a bit of my fixed solid adhesive. These stickers are self-adhesive, however, they will lift over time from glass, so the fixed solid adhesive should keep the gemstone stickers in place. Here you see me attaching 6 rows of the clear gemstone stickers. I then alternated and added 6 rows of both the red and the blue until I made my way around the entire vase. Once I made my way around the vase, I decided to close the remaining space with my clear gemstone stickers. Next, I decided to add 4 rows of the clear gemstone stickers to the neck of my vase. I then used my fixed solid adhesive to attach one of the tall tea light candle holders to the bottom of that vase. And 1 hour later, I covered the top of that tea light candle holder with the clear gemstones as well. I repeated those steps to make a second candle holder, and I set those to dry overnight. And for my flower vase, I followed the same technique using just a bit of the fix-all adhesive and then laying down my gemstone design. I then spray painted 2 sheets of my stars using some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint that I already had. And then I added those along the sides of my vase as well. Next, I added a single gemstone sticker to the center of each of my stars. I then took this tea light candle holder and I attached it to the bottom of my vase. To complete the project, I used some of my fix-all adhesive to form a cylinder shape with a piece of copy paper, and I inserted this paper inside of my vase so that you can see the details of my stars and stripes. And here was my finished look. I was really happy with how these turned out. I think that they are both patriotic, but also super glam. Remember, this is an open collaboration, so once you check out Lisa and Beverly's videos, also check the videos that are in the playlist. I'll leave that playlist below. Several of your favorite DIY YouTubers have also participated in this open collaboration, so please go check those out and then come back and let me know who you think really knocked it out of the park. As the co-host, we will be selecting a Best in Show winner from those listed in the playlist, excluding the host, of course. And I would love to hear you guys' opinions on who you think really hit the mark. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.